Welcome to Practice English Slowly.
Part 7. Habits and Life Thoughts. I believe that having good daily habits makes life much easier and more enjoyable. Over the years, I've learned what works for me, and I try to keep these simple habits every day. They help me stay organized, healthy, and happy. Let me share a few of them with you. The first habit is waking up early. I know that not everyone loves mornings, but I believe that waking up a little earlier gives you extra time to do things calmly. I like to wake up before the rest of the world gets too busy. It feels peaceful. I have time to drink water, stretch, and start the day with positive energy. Even if it's just 15 minutes earlier, it can change the way you feel all day. The second habit is preparing for the next day in the evening. I always choose my clothes, pack my bag, and prepare my lunch if I can. This way, my mornings are not stressful. I can start my day in a relaxed way because I don't have to make too many decisions right after waking up. Another important habit is staying active. I don't go to the gym every day, but I try to move my body regularly. Sometimes it's just a short walk in the park or a quick yoga session at home. I've noticed that even 10 minutes of movement can make a big difference. It makes me feel healthier and more focused. I also try to eat healthy, but I don't follow strict diets. For me, balance is important. I love vegetables, fruits, and homemade meals, but I also enjoy pizza or ice cream from time to time. I believe it's okay to treat yourself as long as you keep balance. Another thing I do every day is write down my thoughts or plans. I have a small planner where I write my daily to-do list. I also like journaling, especially when I feel stressed or overwhelmed. Writing helps me clear my mind. I often write about what I'm grateful for. It could be something simple, like a nice cup of coffee in the morning or a friendly smile from a stranger. These small things really make life better. When I feel tired, I remind myself to rest. We live in a world where everyone is always busy, but I think it's important to take a break. I sometimes turn off my phone, make a cup of tea, and just sit quietly. Resting is not being lazy. It's giving your body and mind time to recover. One of the things that makes me happy is spending time in nature. Whenever I have free time, I try to go to a park, a lake, or even just walk around the city. Fresh air and nature always calm me down. I think that's why I enjoy my evening walks so much. I also believe in learning something new every day. It doesn't have to be big. Maybe a new word in another language, a short article about a topic I'm curious about, or even a new recipe. Learning keeps life exciting. For example, recently I started learning a few phrases in Spanish. It's challenging but fun. Weekends are when I try new things. I love exploring new restaurants, visiting small local shops, or going to events. I also like to travel when I have the chance. Even short weekend trips make me feel refreshed. One of my goals is to live in the present moment. It's easy to think too much about the past or the future, but I'm learning to enjoy what I have right now. I practice gratitude and mindfulness. For example, when I drink my morning coffee, I don't just scroll my phone. I try to really enjoy the smell, the taste, and the moment of peace. Before I finish, I want to share one last thought. Life doesn't have to be perfect to be beautiful. I used to stress about small things, being late, not finishing all my tasks, or not looking perfect. But now I focus on what's really important, being healthy, happy, and spending time with people I love. This is what my daily routine looks like, and these are the habits that make me feel good. I hope that by sharing my day and my thoughts, I can inspire someone to create their own simple and happy routine. Remember, even small changes can make a big difference in your life. Thank you for spending this time with me. I really enjoyed sharing my story. I hope you have a wonderful day, and maybe you'll take one of my ideas to make your own life better. Bye for now.